This problem needs us to find the value of the product of log of 10 1 degree with log of 10 2 degree, log of 10 3 degree, all the way up to log of 10 50 degree. So here it's a very simple problem actually. Now if we consider this expression, somewhere we will have log of 10 45 degree. Now this is extremely important here, and we have log of 10 50 degree. We don't have to worry about finding out the value of the other 10 tangents. Here 10 45 degree is very special because we know the tangent of 45 degree that's equals to 1. Now that means this value is essentially log of 1. Now irrespective of the base, it doesn't matter what base it has, the value of log of 1 is always equals to 0. So that means in this entire expression, which is a product of different logarithmic expression, one of the logarithm has a value of 0. So here that means we are multiplying with a 0, which gives us a value equals to 0. Then in the second part, we have log of 10 1 degree added to log of 10 2 degree, and this addition goes all the way up to log of 10 89 degree. So we have log A plus log B plus log C, where A represents 10 1 degree, B represents 10 2 degree, and so on. That means here we are applying the property. That means if we have log of A added to log of B, that's the same as log of A times B. So that means we have log of 10 1 degree multiplied to tangent 2 degree dot dot dot, we have tangent of 89 degree. Now we will also have tangent of 45 degree. Now what we'll do, we'll combine two tangents together. So we'll take tangent of 1 degree and multiply it to the last term, which is tangent of 89 degree. Similarly, we'll take tangent of 2 degrees and multiply to the second last term, which is tangent of 88 degrees. This can go on. We'll have tangent of 3 degrees multiplied to tangent of 87 degree. There will be all the pairs formed. Since they have odd number of terms, 89 is an odd number, but there will be one term which does not form any pair, and that will be actually tangent of 45 degrees. Fine. The reason why we're doing like this, because tangent of 1 degree, so that's equals to tangent of 90 degree minus 89 degree, means exactly the same thing. Now tangent of 90 minus 89 degree, that's actually cotangent of 89 degree. And what's cotangent of 89 degree? So that's the reciprocal of tangent of 89 degree. Right? So we have tangent of 1 degree, when we are getting it, equal to 1 over tangent of 89 degree. That means if we cross multiply, we have tangent of 1 degree multiplied to tangent of 89 degree, so that value is going to be equals to 1. Same goes for the second part, that is tangent of 2 degree. We'll find that this value will be exactly equals to the reciprocal of tangent of 88 degrees, such that the product tangent of 2 degree times tangent of 88 degree, this value will be equals to 1. So we'll find that all the pairs, the product will be equals to 1, and including the one term which didn't have a pair, so its value is 1, because tangent of 45 degrees is 1. So that means what we are left with is log of 1, and log of 1, this value is equals to 0. So that means the value of this particular expression is equals to 0.